Hey everybody that building the Hummel ultracruiser. So I have a problem, and please watch the video all the way to the end to tell me what you guys can tell me how to help with this. So I sent pictures of this, the inside and everything, to Hummel, and Matt wrote me that it's look too heavy and it's never gonna be a ultralight. I know that those landing gear, those guys with a spring system, those are need to get removed, and I have the aluminum different ones. Those wheels are super lightweight actually, and they have the disc brakes on them, and I don't think that this is a problem. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go over the entire airplane and show it to you guys, and you guys tell me what you guys did different on your airplane that make my airplane suspiciously will be like heavier, not what it's supposed to be. I don't know, Matt did not tell me why and what. I still have the elevator and the wings, that they are just normal elevator and wings, there's nothing to it. So let's start. So let's start with the engine. So this is the engine compartment, and of course it's going to have the top. There is some sun over there. I'm gonna move this side. We have the tube mount, of course we have the throttle, and we have some hoses for the gauges. So far nothing out of the ordinary, and I will show also some underneath views. And so this is the system that built for the steering. Now those steering have here a small push rod system that will do actually brakes. It have wires that hooking up all the way, that's going to hook up to the wheels. This entire thing not even had half a pound to the build of the aircraft. Okay, the system is actually super lightweight, and there's not enough in both of those to have even added half a pound. Now anything else around here, those rods are exactly like what it's showing the drawing to have. Over here, this is the entire steering system, and I don't see it different than anything I saw that on Danny's airplane that I follow his channel, or anybody else. Now this is inside. This is the cockpit, and in the cockpit we have the gauges over here. Again, this is from different angle for the steering, and then there is here, this is a trim system. The trim system for the elevator to bring it up and down, and what it does, those spring loaded, it's actually just pulling the rods that go into the elevator. Okay, I'm gonna go around real quick and I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking inside. Okay, this thing gonna go out. This is just rotten. It's not corrosion, it's all full of dirt inside, because it was outside and it was kind of windy and dirty. Now over here, I know the arch is a little bit higher on different airplane, but the plans for this airplane is like since 2002, so it's not one of the newer plane. Now it does have the hinge here because we have the canopy for it, and everything else. I'm gonna go in a second on the wings area, and I'm gonna put the GoPro inside of the wings. Now those wings been built, the airfoil inside, they kind of zigzag of aluminum. This is the rods actually they're gonna go to the ailerons. And let's go real quick inside here. So what I want to show you, okay, so this is kind of the cockpit, and then this is, if I try to go all the way in, I sound muffled probably. This is how it's look inside here. Okay, now this is the side of the airplane, exactly like on the drawing. There's nothing here that outstanding or been added. This is the tail section, the rudder, and then there is the rudder section with the wheel, and this is kind of just like look like a, you know, like almost like a rollerblade wheel that I'm gonna change to something else later. Those are the doubler or the tripler, whatever they are, for the elevator. And then I have another one at the other side over here. And then this is the system, how it's looking from the back. And let's go inside to the wings. Okay, so the wings roots over here. There is the wind walk. There is no fairing yet. I need still to make the fairing. Now there is hole for the inspection and for all those screws over here. Let's slide the camera all the way through. It will be very hard to do, but I'm still gonna do it if someone thinks that this is heavier. Okay, so this was one part, and now we have another part. This is actually like for the trailing edge. And let's go here more for the trailing edge. Okay, so sorry, drop it here. I have here again like whatever by the drawing showing to build the wings connection. They still need to get riveted. So far I don't see why picture of what I sent to Matt. He thinks that this is like never gonna be like a ultracruiser, ultralight. He thinks that is a little bit too heavy for some reason. I'm gonna lift it and show you guys the bottom of it, just so you guys can see. It's actually such a lightweight that like you can actually lift it in one hand. This is the bottom, and I have a lot of rivets that I need to replace actually, but overall this is exactly what going by the drawing. Now it's a little bit dirty because we were cutting some of the trees. Wow, there's noise from airplane. Look how close. There's an airplane there and there's a helicopter right there. We're near the Van Nuys airport where they're breaking every flying rules, and we ultralight people need to obey by those. Anyway, so this is the wings, the bottom of it. So anyway, we were cutting some of the trees, and the airplane is outside right now, and everything got into the airplane, so I'm gonna need to wash the inside, all the ribs and everything. It's full of dirt and it's full of shrapnel, but still that's not gonna make it heavier. Now the wheel situation here. So those are the wheels with the brakes. Those are bicycle brakes. It's super lightweight. This entire contraption over there is very, very lightweight. This thing we're gonna get rid of. I have the aluminum round aluminum instead of this, so this is not a problem at all. Although this is safer because it's have like some dampening. If like when you land, it will absorb some of the impact. So if anybody have actually one of the other two airplane, I'm gonna sell those to them, like if they want it to use on their airplane, because it's already built and it's very strong. Okay, so this is my ultracruiser, and if you see anything that is done wrong over here, or you think that can be like ease up the weight, just let me know so I can change it in order to try to figure out what to do. Like I was trying to contact again with some people that are too busy, and you know, it's like kind of took the air out of my sails about keep building this thing. So let me know what you guys thinking, and I'm gonna need some a little bit help and information, and that's it. I'm trying to talk to Dennis showing beautiful videos of what he did, and I guess I'm gonna go from there as soon as I know what to do. Now if you watch the video till now, we're gonna add some pictures right now that we took of certain areas, and also of the engine. I'm gonna show the engine if anybody can recognize how many horsepower it is, because it seems to be that nobody have a clue what this VW is. So thank you again for watching, and I will be talking to you later on. You guys can talk to me over here in the comments section, or you can ask for my phone number and I give it to you, or you can give me your number if you're a builder, so we can discuss how to make this thing better. And I'm in Los Angeles, California. If anybody is local and build one of those, maybe we can get together and figure out how to do how to build something together. See you. Thank you. Now keep watching. Again, I'm showing right now the picture of other stuff that also we got. Bye.